15th question. Yes.
Yes, sir.
I request everyone, please keep your textbook in front of me. Get ready, keep writing, keep solving with me, and we will have a good learning. Mimansa, 15th question, please.
Yes. The pth, qth, and the rth term of an AP are A, B, C respectively. Q minus R, Q minus R in bracket into A plus R minus P into B plus P minus Q into C is equal to 0.
We have to show it, and this is they are talking about AP, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us begin this. Because it is the pth and qth and rth terms of an AP are given, so let us assume the AP. And notable thing is that small a, as we have a habit of assuming first term of an AP as a small a, but small a is given for some other meaning. Do not use small a as first term of AP. So let me assume AP in beginning. Let the AP is, let me use capitals, capital A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. This AP I have assumed. Many people who commit mistake, other things are quite usual, nothing special or extraordinary. But people who commit a mistake, they assume this is small a as first term and everything goes wrong. So be careful. Rest of the things are quite simple and similar. Pth term is given A. So let me write pth term formula, which is first term A plus P minus 1 into D. I have written. Similarly, qth term is B. So qth term will become A plus Q minus 1 into D. Keep solving, students, with me. Then rth term will be A plus R minus 1 into D. And this is given equal to C. What is your suggestion? What should be done, students? I have to show this. प्रवेद, क्या किया जाए?
Yes, sir.
क्या किया जाए? कैसे? We have to show this statement. Your suggestion?
So pth term minus qth term. Similar. इससे आ जाएगा p minus q d is equals to a minus b. तो फिर p minus q की वैल्यू हो जाएगी. Similarly बाद में qth term minus rth term and rth term फिर इक्वेशन में उनकी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे LHS साइड में.
You mean to say I should subtract these things? Is this?
Yes, sir.
चलो.
Yes, sir.
फॉलो कर लेते हैं तुम्हारा मेथड, है ना? अदरवाइज मैं ये सोच रहा था कि a की वैल्यू उठा के यहाँ पे रख देते हैं, b की यहाँ पे, and c वैल्यू, and then we will simplify and it should come 0. But let us see. Let us make the trial. Equation 2 minus equation 1, let us do. This will give me b minus a will get cancelled, d will become common, q minus 1 minus p plus 1. And this will give me q minus p value. No, I wanted to get p minus q, no problem. I'll multiply with both the sides with minus 1. So this I get p minus q value. Right?
Sir, so similarly r minus p is equals to c minus a upon d.
Okay, similarly लिख दूं. हाँ, ठीक है, उसको करने की जरूरत नहीं. So here p minus q is a minus b whole upon d. Similarly,
r minus p is equals to c minus a upon d.
Yes, साइक्लिक ऑर्डर में रोटेट करता हूँ. तो साइक्लिक ऑर्डर मींस p के बाद q, q के बाद r और r के बाद वापस p. So where p is coming, q will come. q minus r equals to, similarly here also, a के बाद b minus c whole upon d is same. And similarly r minus p equal to c minus a whole upon d. I have got the value of these things. Let us put in LHS, correct? शायद लास्ट लाइन कट रहा है, तो मैं इसको रीराइट क्लिक कर देता हूँ यहाँ पर. r minus p will be equal to b के बाद c minus a whole upon d. So LHS is Praveed, you can mute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Then LHS will become this is q minus r into a plus r minus p into b plus p minus q into c. So let me put the value which we have got. Q minus R is B minus C whole upon D into A, plus R minus P is C minus A into B upon D, plus P minus Q is A minus B into C whole upon D. Simplify 1 upon D out, and in the bracket multiply everything. It will be AB minus AC plus CB minus AB plus AC minus BC. And you can see that everything will get cancelled, and what you get is 0. So very simple it is. Okay. So this is a way. There may be many other ways, that any way you can do it, you can complete it. It was question number 15. Please complete, please solve it, and let us move towards the next question, 16. Deepal, will you read the next question? Deepal,
Yes, sir.
Deepal, ये question समझ में आया, solve किया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो, next 16th question.
If A into 1 upon B plus 1 upon C, comma B
Keep reading.
B into 1 upon C plus 1 upon A, comma C into 1 upon A plus 1 upon B are in AP. Prove that A, comma B, comma C are in AP.
Okay. So given that something is given, and to prove that A, B, C are in AP, this we have to show. A, B, C
Yes, sir.
are in AP. And given that, what is given? Given that A into 1 upon B plus 1 upon C, comma, B into 1 upon C plus 1 upon A, comma, C into 1 upon A plus 1 upon B are in AP. Correct, Deepal? This only is given, है ना? Then how to begin? Students, if you one comment from my side, that if you see, you know well that A, B, C are in AP. Its meaning you know well. Its meaning is that twice of middle term equal to first plus third term, right? 2B equals to A plus C. This you know. But the same thing if you apply here. If you apply here and do like this, first term plus last term, if you do like this and simplify and thinking that in the last step ABC will come, I have a doubt that this simplification will take time. So instead of doing like this, you can try this way also. It will, but I have a doubt that it may take time. So instead of doing like this, please note some following points, and that notes you can apply in this solution. Note is that if A, B, C are in AP, then if you multiply a fixed number, will also be in AP. So because if 1, 2, 3 are in AP, then 10, 20, 30 will also be in AP. You can multiply a fixed number in AP, the resultant sequence will be AP only. One. Second thing, that if you add a particular number, that also remains AP only. For example, if 2, 3, 4 are in AP and do plus 10, means 12, 13, 14 will also be in AP only. So you can add a fixed number. If K is negative, then it means you can subtract a fixed number in all the terms of AP, and the resultant sequence will also remain AP. Same way, if K is in fraction, 1 upon something, then it means that you can divide by an integer, and the resultant sequence will also remain AP. So that can be done with AP terms. Now, how this is useful in this question, you can begin with this. Let us pick this and let us give a simplification, and my target is to bring ABC. So let me take LCM. It will become C plus B whole upon BC, comma B into A plus C whole upon CA, comma C into B plus A whole upon AB are in AP given. Now multiply it inside. I have multiplied it inside, and this also will remain in AP. Are in AP, right? Now if you look at them minutely, their numerators will become same if you do +1 in all the three terms. If you do +1 here and take LCM, then numerator will become AC plus AB plus BC. Similarly, +1 if you do here and take LCM, numerator will become AB plus BC plus CA. And similarly in the third term also. So what we are going to do, let us do +1 in all the three terms, and that will also remain in AP as per the note we have written. So let us do +1 AC plus AB whole upon BC +1, comma AB plus BC whole upon CA +1, comma BC plus AC whole upon AB +1 are in AP. Let us take LCM. This will remain in AP. Students, can you suggest what can be the next step? Our target you keep in mind. This we have to bring. We have to simplify it.
2b is equals to a plus c.
To be this we have to bring. We have reached till here.
So can we take that numerator as x or something?
Yes, numerator as x and
Divide the
by a
numerator.
fixed number. Divide by a fixed number. Divide by the numerator. You know what I am saying? If 10, 20, 30 are in AP, then divide by 10. Then 1, 2, 3 will also remain in AP only. So what I am going to do, I am going to get rid of this ABB plus BC plus CA. I am going to divide it by them. Dividing by AB plus BC plus CA. I can divide, and the resultant sequence will also be an AP only. That AP properties allow for this. So yeah. So this will remain 1 upon, if I divide, it will be 1 upon BC, 1 upon CA, 1 upon AB are in AP. Our target is this. Can you suggest what more should be done? Can you suggest what next step should be there?
2 by bc सर, तो इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद आ जाएगा 2 by bc is equals to 1 by ca plus 1 by ab.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
एलसीएम ले लेंगे.
बिल्कुल आप अब नाउ यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं 2 अपॉन सी ए इक्वल टू कर सकते हैं. लेकिन मुझे एक और, क्योंकि हमने इसी स्टाइल में सॉल्व किया है पूरा सोल्यूशन, तो इज देयर
multiply by ABC.
यस दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, बिकॉज जब हमने पूरा सोल्यूशन इसी वे में सॉल्व किया है तो उसको भी go ahead and multiply with ABC, what she said, and see what happens. Multiplying with ABC, and as you multiply, it will become like this. And that will be in AP. And this is proved. Right. This only we were trying to bring. ABC are in AP. And this I have written in explanatory manner. Right. If you jump some steps, the solution will be even shorter. So not only it is short, but very easy also. Right. So learn. This was also a way and try doing it by conventional way also, and see whether it comes easily or not. This was question number 16. Please complete and see the next questions. 17th question. Yes, Edwin, you want to say something?
No, sir. I will read the 17th question.
Okay, okay. 17th question. Edwin, will you read 17th?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Sir, if A, B, C, and D are in GP, prove that A raised to the power n plus B raised to the power n, comma, B
One
raised to
minute.
the power n.
1 minute. Let me write given. You also, students, can write given and to show in your notebooks. 17. What is given? Yes, tell.
Sir, A, B, C, and D are in GP.
Okay. To show what?
To show A raised to the power n plus B raised to the power n, comma, B raised to the power n plus C raised to the power n, comma, C raised to the power n plus D raised to the power n are in GP.
Your suggestion. Your suggestion, Edwin. What should be done? Students, in GP exercise also there were questions in which this same thing was given. A, B, C, D are in GP. So whenever 4 things are given in GP, we can take the ratio same, B upon A equal to C upon B equal to D upon C. But we discussed this thing there, that instead of taking ratio same and getting equation and playing with the equations, it is better, it is always better to assume that A equal to A, B equal to AR, C equal to AR square, D equal to AR cube. Since A, B, C, D are in GP, so let A equals to A, B equals to AR, C equal to AR square, and D equal to AR cube. Right. Now, if you have to prove 3 numbers in GP, what you need to do, students?
Sir, ratio should be.
Ratio. It should be proved same. है ना, ये जीपी प्रूव करने का बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है कि अगर आपको 3 नंबर्स जीपी में प्रूव करने हैं तो कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म्स का रेशियो इक्वल दिखा दीजिए, काफी है. तो शुरू करते हैं, रेशियो लेते हैं. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द रेशियो b raised to power n plus c raised to power n whole upon a raised to power n plus b raised to power n, and let's use these things here. So ar to power n plus c was ar square to power n whole upon a to power n plus b was ar whole to power n. I think a to power n common throughout can be deleted, and r to power n plus r to power 2n whole upon 1 plus r to power n will remain. In numerator, r to power n can be taken common. Let us take common. And powers will get subtracted. So 2n minus n will remain, r to power n. And it gets cancelled. So it gives finally r to power n. Similarly, let us take the ratio of c to power n plus d to power n upon this. And put the value of b, c, and d. C was ar square, d was ar cube,
सर AR स्क्वायर की पावर n होगा ना, आपने स्क्वायर लिख रखा है, C to the power n के जगह.
I'm sorry. Correct. This is power n. Yes. Power to power means powers get multiplied. So a raised to power n, यहाँ सब जगह से cancelled. Remaining thing will be r to power 2n plus r to power 3n whole upon r to power n plus r to power 2n equals to. Now let us take common. In numerator, you can see r raised to power n is common, 2n is common. So r to power 2n out. In the bracket 1 plus r to power 3n minus 2n. So r to power n will remain. Whole upon, here r to power n is out, 1 plus r to power n will remain. This gets cancelled and powers will get subtracted and it will become r to power 2n minus n equal to n. Same thing. So both are equal. It It means that b to power n plus c to power n upon a to power n plus b to power n is equal to c to power n plus d to power n whole upon b to power n plus c to power n. And it means that these three terms are in what?
GP.
GP. And that's it. So very smooth, very simple. I think this only is the important step. बाकी बातें तो आपको पता है कि जीपी प्रूव करने के लिए हमें रेशियो लेना होता है, उसमें तो भूल चूक नहीं होगी. ठीक है, प्लीज कंप्लीट इट एंड लेट्स गेट रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. I can see Pranjal Ameta is present in front of me. Pranjal, will you read the next question? 18th. Pranjal Ameta, if you can hear me. Pranjal or Ravi Kumar? Ravi? Pranjal and Ravi, they are not responding. Neha will read. Ravi is there. Ravi, active?
Yes, sir.
Ravi? Are you ready? No, Ravi is not ready. Neha,
Yes, sir.
please read 18th question and मुझे suggest भी करना कि कैसे solve करूँ. बोलो.
If a and b are the roots of x square minus 3x plus p is equals to 0, and c and d are the roots of x square minus 12x plus q is equals to 0,
Okay.
where a, b, c, d form a GP, prove
Okay.
that q plus p ratio q minus p is equals to 17 is to 15.
Q plus P upon Q minus P equal to 17 upon 15 I have to show. Can you read from beginning and tell me what things are given? Yes.
Yes, sir. If a and b are the roots of x square minus 3x plus p is equals to 0,
1 minute. Are roots of x square minus
3x plus p is
equal to
equals
0.
to 0.
1 minute. Let us analyze it and write the equations which can be obtained from this. Can you tell any equation which is obtained from this fact?
Sir, a plus b equal to 3.
Yes, you must have heard, learnt in your class 10 that alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. And alpha beta is equal to c upon a.
C upon a.
Let us use it. And this will give you a plus b equal to minus plus 3 upon 1, which is 3. And a into b equals to p upon 1, which is p. Okay, next. What next is given?
C and d are roots of x square minus 12x plus q is equals to 0.
So similarly, two more equations we get from here. What is that?
C plus d equal to
Plus
12.
q is equals to
Yes.
12 and c into d is equals to q.
Very good. So here I receive 4 equations and some more thing is given, I think. What more is given?
And where a, b, c, d form a GP.
This forms a GP, R in GP. These things are given. We have to show this. Now think, students, कि ये जो ब्रिज है ये कैसे फिल किया जाए, इसको कैसे बनाया जाए, ये जो गैप है इसको कैसे फिल किया जाए. गिवन स्टेटमेंट से यहाँ तक पहुंचना है.
Sir, what about dividing them?
Here,
No, sir, that a plus b and all.
they those equations. We can divide. We can divide. Actually, we have to bring this. So Q means what? Q means that. If I can put the value of Q and P, it will become CD plus AB whole upon CD minus AB. Then C and D and A and B value I have to find out. And this also can be used. Let us begin with this. Since A, B, C, D are in GP, so let A equal to A, B equal to AR, C equal to AR square, D equal to AR cube, right? In previous questions also 4 numbers were given in GP. We assumed like this, it helped us. Here also let us try this. So let us put in these equations. So a plus b equal to 3. This equation will become, if I put the value of a as a only and b as ar, if I keep this, let it be 1. AB equal to p, and this will become a is a, b is ar equal to p. This will become equation 2. C plus D equal to 12. This will become AR square plus AR cube equal to 12. Question 3. And CD equal to Q. This means A R square into AR cube equal to Q. Equation 4. What next? Your suggestion, students. Q and P I can put. This is Q, this is P. I have to find out A and R. If I can find A and R, everything will be easy. How to get A and R? How to get A and R?
Sir,
I can
dividing third by first.
divide 1 and 3. Hai na? Do 1 by 3. And if I do an A common, 1 plus R equal to 3 upon, here also let's take common, A R square is common. In the bracket you will have 1 plus R equal to 3 upon 12. 1 plus R will get cancelled, A will get cancelled. R square equal to 4. R square equal to 4 I have got. Right, now I think it is sufficient. Now let us begin with this. Because Q I have, P I have. Put there. यहाँ solve कर सकता हूँ. Yes. Q plus P upon Q minus P. I hope A should get cancelled. Let us keep Q. Q is A square R to power 5 plus P. P is A square R. Simplify. क्या simplify? A square will get cancelled, students. Is this?
Yes, sir.
A square cancelled. And what more? What next?
So we will put the value of R in that.
हाँ. But before that, थोड़ा और cancel करते हैं. है कि नहीं? R also let us cancel. So R common and deleted. So it will remain R to power 4 plus 1 upon R to power 4 minus 1. Correct? Now you put the value of R square. R square is 4. So 4 square.
16.
16 plus 1. This will come. 16 plus 1 is 7. Right, students? 16 minus 1, 50. And this only we were trying to bring. Right? This is the value of Q plus P upon Q minus P. So you have a look of overall solution. किसी और की कुछ और अप्रोच हो तो वो भी डिस्कस कर सकता है यहाँ पे. कुछ और तरीका हो जिसमें और बेहतर ढंग से इजीली अगर आया हो वैल्यू. मेरा जो एनालिसिस है, मेरा जो इसमें एनालिसिस है कि गिवन स्टेटमेंट लिखिए, क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए, गिवन स्टेटमेंट लिख दीजिए और हर एक लाइन से जो एक इक्वेशन क्रिएट हो रही है वो लिख दीजिए और हमें क्या करना है वो लिख दीजिए, फिर सोचिए. ठीक है, हर एक गिवन फैक्ट का यूज हो जाए, है ना. यू विल गेट, माय एक्सपीरियंस इज दैट यू थिंक दैट फ्रॉम दिस गिवन स्टेटमेंट हाउ टू कम टू शो स्टेटमेंट. रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स यू विल गेट ऑटोमेटिकली. थोड़ा सा टाइम लग सकता है, इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस and skill, but try on your own, you'll get surely. It was question 18th. I request you all to please complete this. Some of the students take snapshots. My personal experience is that जब अभी मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है तो बाद में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा, है ना. और मुझसे ज्यादा कहीं बिजी आप हैं, आप लोग हैं, आपके पास कितना काम है, वर्क है करने को. स्नैपशॉट्स कल मुझे तो उतना समझ नहीं आता, जो काम कंप्लीट हो जाता है उसी वक्त वो हो ही जाता है, और जो छूट जाता है फिर वो छूटा ही रह जाता है। तो मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है कि जो
स्नैपशॉट की जगह स्नैप राइट करना चाहिए।
क्या करना है, स्नैप राइट, वो कैसे, वो क्या होता है?
सर बैठ के लिखो और कुछ नहीं होता है।
हाँ स्नैप राइट बिल्कुल बैठ के लिखो। तो वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि अभी 1 घंटा हम बाउंड हैं करने को, लिखने को, तो उस वक्त हो जाए तो हो जाए, वरना तो फिर, है ना। आगे बढ़ते हैं। बालादित्य, आर यू रेडी 19th क्वेश्चन मुझे बताने के लिए? बालादित्य।
Yes, sir.
यस, बालादित्य समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
गुड गुड, वही एपी वाला वर्क है। 19th क्वेश्चन प्लीज रीड, और मुझे सजेस्ट भी करना कैसे करें, बोलो।
The ratio of the AM and GM of two positive numbers A and B is M is to N.
Okay, A and B, two positive numbers, their AM upon GM is how much given?
M is to N.
M is to N. Okay. Okay.
Show that A is to B is equal to M plus root M square minus N square is to M minus root M square minus N square.
This.
Yes, sir.
So students, your suggestion, if you have tried this, and if any idea you have how to do it, you can share your experiments with me, with us. Given, मैं इस इक्वेशन को थोड़ा और बेटर लिखता हूँ। AM is nothing but A plus B whole upon 2, and GM is nothing but root AB, and this is equal to M upon N. तो मुझे ये चीज गिवन है, और मुझे यहाँ पे पहुंचना है, A upon B लाना है यहाँ से। हाँ? इसको और बेहतर लिख लेता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे। दिस इज A plus B whole upon 2 root AB, and this is given M upon N. So क्या किया जाए? Students, if I do -1 both the sides, then this will be M minus N. And because M square minus N square is there, so let me take whole square of both sides first. ठीक है, because M square and minus N square, आप भी अपने व्यूज बता सकते हो, मैं तो बस ऐसे ही एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है, देखते हैं आता है कि नहीं। स्क्वायरिंग बोथ द साइड्स, so this will give me A plus B whole square upon 4AB equal to M square upon N square, doing -1 both the sides. So this will give me A plus B whole square minus 4AB, LCM if I'm taking, upon 4AB equal to M square minus N square whole upon M square, N square. So ये कितना, न्यूमरेटर will be how much students? Friends, numerator will become how much? Will be, if you open it, A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 4AB, A square plus B square minus 2AB, A minus B whole square, it will be A minus B whole square whole upon 4AB equals to M square minus N square whole upon N square. Right? Because root is there, so let us take root of both sides. If I take root of both sides, this will give me A minus B whole upon 2 root AB equals to M square minus N square root whole upon N, right? Whole upon N. Your suggestion, students, anyone? कोई suggestion?
सर वो 2 रूट AB को RHS में सेंड कर सकते हैं।
कर दिया, फिर
सर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये नीचे यहाँ पे जो इक्वेशन बना सबसे डाउन साइड में, ओ A माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर वो वाला, तो नीचे 4AB है, उसको ऊपर सेंड कर दोगे तो फिर 1/2 इक्वेशन करके उसको माइनस वगैरह कर सकते हैं।
माइनस कर सकते हैं, किन दो इक्वेशंस को माइनस कर सकते हैं? उसको मैंने इधर सेंड कर दिया, वो इंटू 4a भी आ गया। फिर किसके साथ? एनीवन एल्स? कोई और सजेशन? मुझे दिख रहा है जैसे कुछ हम my target is to bring this. My target is to bring this. Student, I think this is 1, this is 2, and those who have attended previous classes, they must remember componendo and dividendo method. So dividing 1 and 2, this will work, I feel. Dividing 1 by 2, and if you divide the denominator, 2 root ab will get cancelled. Okay, let me write and then I'll cancel. And similarly, in the right hand side also, m upon n whole upon root of m square minus n square whole upon n. N get cancelled and 2 root ab get cancelled. And this becomes a plus b upon a minus b equals to m upon root of m square minus n square. Are you getting a smell of victory?
सर +1 करके निकाल सकते हैं क्या? दोनों इक्वेशन में +1 करके।
हाँ बिल्कुल, आप जो कह रहे हैं उससे आएगा। +1 किया तो b विल गेट कैंसल्ड, a मिलेगा। लेट इट बी इक्वेशन 1, देन माइनस करेंगे तो b मिलेगा इक्वेशन 2, डिवाइड देम। बट इसी का एक कंबाइंड वर्क है, इसी का एक उसको बोलते हैं कॉम्पोनेंडो एंड डिवाइडेंडो। कॉम्पोनेंडो एंड डिवाइडेंडो मैं मेथड रिपीट कर देता हूं, एंड दैट यू थिंक हाउ टू अप्लाई हियर। Componendo and dividendo says that if a upon b equal to c upon d, then you add numerator and denominator, means a plus b whole upon subtract a minus b, that will be equal to c plus d whole upon c minus d. In the right hand side also you do. This is componendo and dividendo. Same is to be applied here. Two fractions are equal, so in the left side numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator will be equal to, do the same in the right hand side also. So let us try using C and D, componendo and dividendo. This will give you a plus b plus a minus b whole upon a plus b minus a minus b equals to in the right hand side also same thing, numerator plus denominator whole upon numerator minus denominator, and that's it. What you wanted has come in right hand side. In the left hand side you simplify, almost done. Twice a upon twice b equal to the same thing, and delete 2 throughout, and what remains is your final answer. And here we get the answer. ठीक है, तो जैसे इसका नेचर मुझे कुछ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री से मिलता जुलता लगता है। जैसे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में क्वेश्चंस में यू राइट गिवन स्टेटमेंट करेक्टली, टू शो स्टेटमेंट यू राइट एंड थिंक दैट हाउ टू फिल द गैप। सेम थिंग इज बीइंग डन हियर आल्सो, दैट रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर अ मैटर ऑफ स्किल, वो आपको खुद समझ में आ जाएगा, राइट? दैट इफ दिस सम इक्वेशन इज गिवन एंड वहां से a upon b लाना है तो क्या किया जाए, राइट? You may take some more time, but it will come. I am very hopeful. So I request that solving, thinking on your own is important. And have a practice of solving fresh questions as much as possible for you. And try new questions. So, समझ आएगा. Uma Sharma, will you read the next question, 20th? Uma or Vijit Balsori? I think they are inactive.
Yes, sir.
Uma is active. Uma, I hope you are doing and listening. The next 20th question, please read.
If A, B, C are in AP
Okay.
B, C, D are in GP.
1 minute. Let me write also these equations. Which question? 20th. Yes. What is given? Yeah.
If A, B, C are in GP, sorry, AP. It's in AP, sir.
Are in AP. It means that, what does it mean, all? If they are in AP, then what equation can I write?
2b equal to a plus c.
2b equal to a plus c. Next line, Uma.
B, C, and D are in GP.
Uma, can you tell me the equation which I can write using this statement?
Sir.
GP means if they are in GP, then yes, Edwin. If they are in
c
GP,
equal to root bd.
C equal to root BD, or in simple C square equal to BD. है ना, Uma? Next line.
And 1 upon C,
Okay.
1 upon D, 1 upon E are in AP.
Now, what equation can be written? AP means twice of middle term equal to first plus third term. समझे? तो मुझे क्या लिखना चाहिए? 2 upon D equal to 1 upon C plus 1 upon E. Next line.
Prove that A, C, E are in GP.
Prove that A, C, E are in GP. That is to show. That is what to show? That is to show what? That is to show them in GP. What we need to show, students?
c square equal to a.
C square equal to AE we have to bring. Begin now. My target is to bring C square equal to AE. And 3 equations I have. Suggestion please, students. I'll be happy to listen to you people's suggestions. So do not hesitate. Suggest. What can be done? How to begin? Huh? What suggestion? आदित्य, अंकित, आयुषी, कोई सजेशन आपके, सुझाव कुछ? Ayushi, are you listening? Baladit, Ayushi is listening, huh? Ayushi,
Yes.
any suggestion? मुझे ये लाना है, and these 3 equations are given. Any other student also? If
सर हम सेकंड इक्वेशन से d इक्वल टू c स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय b लेके थर्ड इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं ना?
सेकंड इक्वेशन से
d का वैल्यू निकाल के थर्ड में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं.
थर्ड में आप कह रहे हो सॉल्व कर लो और ये रिलेशन लाने की कोशिश करते हैं. हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे जो चाहिए, मुझे A, C, E चाहिए, 3 चीज. आई डोंट वांट B, आई डोंट वांट D. So B and D are unwanted for me. I want C, A and E. That is, B and D are undesired. So मुझे मिला, मुझे समझ आया क्या करना है. किसी और को हार मानी? मैं बताऊं
सर?
हाँ, अंकित.
सर मतलब सेकंड इक्वेशन से d इक्वल टू c स्क्वायर बाई b होगा.
हो गया.
फिर उसके बाद में उसको थर्ड इक्वेशन में डाल देंगे.
डाल दिया.
फिर सर सॉल्व करेंगे तो
सर वो 2b का वैल्यू a प्लस c रख देंगे.
है किसका वैल्यू?
सो ऊपर वो न्यूमरेटर में 2b है ना, तो उसको a प्लस c रख देंगे.
यस सर.
A प्लस C रख दिया तो आ जाएगा, है ना? करेक्ट. चलो शुरू करते हैं यही काम जो इन्होंने बोला है. कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूं कि 2 से शुरू करता हूं. तो यहां से D का वैल्यू हो गया C स्क्वायर अपॉन B, पुटिंग इन 3. ठीक है. ओवरऑल सॉल्व करके आपको D और B एलिमिनेट करना है. वो चाहे जैसे आप कर लो. ठीक है. थर्ड का 1 में पुट करो, 1 का 2 में, वॉट एवर आ जाएगा. यू जस्ट हैव टू एलिमिनेट D एंड B. सो आई एम गोइंग टू पुट इन 3. सो 2 अपॉन D की जगह पे मैं ये लिख रहा हूँ C स्क्वायर अपॉन B. B विल कम हियर इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन C प्लस 1 अपॉन E. and 2b, putting 2b equal to a plus c, and do it here. A plus c upon c square equal to 1 upon c plus 1 upon e. बस इस इक्वेशन में सिर्फ a, c और e बचा है. आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लो, बच के कहाँ जाएगा? ये इक्वेशन तो मिलेगी ही. तो एलसीएम लेने जा रहा हूं मैं. So if I take LCM, it will be a plus c upon c square equal to e plus c upon ce. One c get cancelled, and in the remaining cross multiply. So a plus c upon c equal to e plus c upon e, cross multiply. ae plus ce equal to ce plus c square, and that is it. C square equal to ae, which means that a, c, e are in GP. So thank you, students, for giving the hint, and successfully we have reached to our desired statement that A, C, E are in GP, है ना? So good. ऐसे ही मुझको सजेस्ट करते रहिए. It was question number 20th. Right now the time is 51. Perhaps biology class is there at 12. This was question number 20th. 21st is quite usual, right? Similar to this question we have done. I request you people to give a try. 21st and 22nd, please complete on your own. In the next class, we shall take 23rd question. And 23rd question is about a very special series. And similar to this is one example that also we did not discuss. So this is quite different, 23rd question. Thank you everyone for attending this class. And please note that it is always happy to listen to you, to talk to you. I feel happy. So keep interacting with me, right?